everyone, welcome back to my kitchen. I just want to wish you all a happy new year, and today I'm going to share another recipe with you guys. This time I'll be sharing brown stew belly pork with mashed potato, and I'm about to start, and I'm going to show you from start to finish. Let's get started. This is my belly pork. It's all washed and ready for seasoning. I'm just going to wash my hands. And then I'm going to start seasoning my belly pork. So over here, I've got jerk seasoning. And I'll be using black pepper, garlic granules, onion granules, all-purpose seasoning, chili powder, turmeric powder, pork seasoning. This is a must. Pork seasoning, Jamaican son, pork season. So I've put all of my seasoning in, so I am now going to add all the stuff I'm using to season my meat. So I've got some spring onions. I'm going to put some in and save some. I've got some white onions. I've got some pepper here, some vegetable peppers. I've got some tomato here. I've got some garlic, ginger, hot scotch bonnet pepper, and some thyme. What I'm going to do now, I'm going to rub it all in to my meat. It's best to marinate it, but because I have to show you guys from scratch what I'm doing, because someone asked me to make this dish for them, and I told them that I'll show them from beginning to finish. But the best way to do it is to marinate it and leave it like for 24 hours or a bit long. When you're marinating it, once you finish seasoning your meat, what you do, you put it into a container with a cover, leave it in your fridge, leave it for 24 hours or a bit longer, and then cook it. You get a better flavor from your meat. That smells really good. So look at it, guys. All seasoning, and it's now ready for browning. Once I finish browning it, then I'll be cooking it down, right? And then I'll show you exactly what I'm going to do. This is my potato. It's all washed and cut up in pieces. I'm just going to add a bit of salt and put it to cook. And this potato is going to go with my meat. That is my salt. So I'm just going to add my salt to my potato. And then I'm just going to turn my heat on. And then put my potato to cook. Guys, the oil is hot and I'm about to brown my meat. I'm just removing the green season from my meat, because if you don't remove it, then your meat will get burned. You don't want that. I'm just removing the green seasoning. Look at my meat, it's all browning and it looking really good. Looking really good. I'm just adding the rest of my onions. My tomato. My vegetable peppers. Spring onions. So what I'm going to do, I've got some dark soy sauce and I'm also got some browning. So you got choices. You can either use dark soy sauce or you can use the browning. So I'm going to add some dark soy sauce to these. You don't have to measure it. You can just add a good amount and just give it a stir. And I'm also going to add some hot pepper sauce. This is just to give it a little kicks. We all know hot pepper sauce is very fiery, so I'm just adding that amount. What I'm going to do now, I'm going to add all this into my frying pan. I'm going to turn up the heat on. I'm just going to give it a stir for a while so that all my ingredients can combine together. Wow, look at that, it's looking really good. Over here is my potato. It's looking good as well, so I'm going to make some mashed potato to go with my brown stew belly pork. Guys, I'm just going to put all my meat in, and then I'm going to add some boiling water, then reduce my heat and leave it to cook on slow heat until when it is soft and tender. That is looking so good, really good. And the smell is amazing. I'm just adding some boiling water. That's enough water to cook my meat. Yeah, it's looking good. So I am just going to turn my heat down and leave it to cook. Guys, look at my meat, is cooking down really nice. Look at the gravy, guys. Wow, it's all looking really good. Everything looking good. Look at my meat. Wow, it's getting there. And my potato over here. I'm just gonna try my potato. My potatoes just need a little bit more cooking, 10 minutes, and it will be ready. Guys, it looks really good. Gravy looking really good, and it's smelling very delicious. So guys, it's now ready for serving. So I am going to serve it with some mashed potato, and my potato is all cooked and ready for mash. So I'm going to cream my potato with some butter. So let's get started. Just gonna give my potato masher rinse. Right. So I'm gonna mash my potato mash. I'm just going to add some butter. I'm using Flora margarine. You can use whatever butter you like. You can use butter of your own choice. Just give it a stir to make sure that it's all mashed and it blended nicely with my butter. As you can see, it's all blended nicely with my butter. It's mashed, it's looking good, and it's ready for serving. Potato is all creamed together and it look really nice. And I'm serving it with salad as my side dish. And My meat is also ready for serving. Guys, look at my mashed potato with my brown stew, belly pork and vegetables. If you like my video, guys, please give it a thumbs up. Give it a couple likes and share. Subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching my video. Enjoy your meal. See you soon in another video. I've got lots of video coming out soon. Stay tuned. Love you guys. Bye.